Nutcrackers are a big part of Christmas in the United States, bringing a mix of fun and tradition to the holiday season. These wooden figures, often dressed as soldiers or kings, became popular in America after the famous ballet The Nutcracker introduced them to audiences. The magical story of Clara and her Nutcracker prince made them a symbol of Christmas joy. Get ready for a festive adventure with Captain Discovery as we explore the art and craftsmanship behind Nutcrackers. These charming wooden figures, beloved symbols of Christmas, are more than just decorations. They're a blend of history, tradition, and skilled artistry. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Captain Discovery for more fascinating processes from around the world. Nutcrackers became popular in the United States in the mid-20th century, largely thanks to Tchaikovsky's ballet, The Nutcracker, which became a holiday tradition. Performances of the ballet introduced American audiences to these charming wooden figures, tying them closely to Christmas celebrations. Following the ballet's success, German-made Nutcrackers gained widespread popularity in the U.S. as decorative items. Many families began incorporating them into their holiday traditions, seeing them as symbols of the festive season. Over time, Nutcrackers became an iconic part of American holiday decor, appearing in homes, stores, and even large-scale displays. Their whimsical designs, often featuring soldiers, kings, and festive characters, captured the imagination of collectors and holiday enthusiasts. Today, Nutcrackers are not just decorations, but also collectibles in the U.S., with some families passing them down as heirlooms. They represent a blend of European tradition and American holiday spirit, making them a cherished symbol of the season. The process begins with linden wood, chosen for its lightweight nature, ease of carving, and pale color that mimics skin tones. Large blocks of linden wood are cut into pieces sized for the Nutcracker's torso. A planer then trims these square blocks into octagonal shape, which is easier to round and carve. The pieces are fed into a multi-station lathe, where the first station rounds them into cylinders and begins forming their basic torso shape. Subsequent stations further refine the shape and sand the wood smooth, ensuring an even surface for staining. And did you know in German folklore, Nutcrackers are believed to bring good luck and protect homes from evil spirits? These wooden figures were thought to symbolize strength and serve as guardians, watching over the household and scaring away bad energy with their fierce expressions. Once the torso pieces are shaped, a vertical router carves a precise notch into each torso. This notch is where the lever mechanism will fit, allowing the Nutcracker to open and close its mouth. Next, the torsos are passed through a drilling machine, which drills all the necessary holes for attaching body parts, like arms and legs, as well as inserting the lever's axle. The drilling process is automated to ensure consistency and accuracy across all pieces. Each hole is carefully positioned so that the Nutcracker's parts will fit together seamlessly during assembly. After the torso is carved and drilled, it is prepared for finishing by staining the wood to create the Nutcracker's coat. Workers apply a dark wood stain evenly across the surface, giving it a rich color that enhances its polished appearance. Once the stain dries completely, 2 coats of semi-gloss lacquer are sprayed on to seal the wood and add a smooth, durable finish. This lacquer not only protects the wood from wear and tear, but also gives the Nutcracker its characteristic glossy shine. The base on which the Nutcracker will stand undergoes a similar process, and the company's logo is burned on the underside of the base to certify its authenticity. If you like this content, subscribe to Captain Discovery. The Nutcracker's head is crafted separately to add unique features and personality. Workers use a router to attach a wooden nose and carve precise holes for the eyes. A light spray of red paint is applied to the cheeks and nose to give the figure a warm, rosy appearance. Once the paint dries, skilled workers hand paint the whites of the eyes and eyebrows with careful precision. Small enameled tin pieces are glued into the eye sockets to form the iris and pupil, adding detail and depth. After these finishing touches, the head is ready to be attached to the torso in the next step of assembly. The Nutcracker's head and torso are carefully aligned and screwed together to form the main body. Workers then attach the legs, which are painted to resemble boots, and secure the figure onto the wooden base. Decorative details are added, such as buttons, a belt buckle, and strips of rabbit fur for the hair and beard. The beard is positioned strategically to conceal the notch for the lever mechanism, enhancing the figure's polished look. Arms, accessories like drums or props, and hats are glued or doweled into place to complete the Nutcracker's character. With all parts assembled and the lever mechanism functioning smoothly, the finished Nutcracker is ready to stand proudly as a collective or festive decoration. The Leavenworth Nutcracker Museum, located in Leavenworth, Washington, is a unique institution dedicated to the art and history of Nutcrackers. Founded in 1995 by Arlene and George Wagner, the museum has grown to house over 9,000 Nutcrackers from around the world, earning a Guinness World Record in April 2022 for the largest collection of nutcracking devices. The museum's collection spans various cultures and time periods, featuring pieces dating back to the 16th century. Visitors can explore nutcrackers crafted from diverse materials, such as wood, metal, and ceramic, each reflecting unique cultural traditions and artistic expressions. Highlights include traditional German nutcrackers, character-themed designs like Mickey Mouse and Elvis Presley, and even a 6-foot-tall Bavarian nutcracker named Karl, carved by Karl Rappel of Oberammergau, Germany. Thank you everyone for joining the journey of making nutcrackers. If you enjoyed exploring anything in the world with us, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Captain Discovery. See you again!